While Macs are known for being more secure than other devices, they're still vulnerable to cyber threats like malware, ransomware, and to keep your Mac safe, here are some of the best internet security software options for Macs. So the first one is Norton 360 for Mac, okay? Sorry, Norton 360 for Mac. It's a top choice for internet security. It provides comprehensive protection against malware and online threats. It also includes a VPN, dark web monitoring, and cloud backup to keep your data safe. The next one is Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac. It's another strong option. It offers excellent protection against viruses and malware, and it includes a feature called Time Machine Protection to safeguard your backup files from ransomware. All right? The third one is Intego Mac Internet Security, which is specifically designed for Macs and provides solid protection against viruses, malware, and online threats. It includes a firewall, web protection, and a built-in anti-theft feature to secure your device. Kaspersky Internet Security for Mac provides powerful malware protection, a secure VPN, and a privacy tool to help protect your data from cyber criminals. Trend Micro Antivirus for Mac offers great protection against ransomware, viruses, and other malicious threats. It also includes a secure web browsing tool to help protect you while surfing the web. Now, these internet security solutions will help you keep your Mac safe from a wide range of online dangers, ensuring that your personal data stays secure. If you like this video, leave me a like. Love ya.